pupunta tayo ngayon sa aking kaibigan. We're driving going to Schoenberg. Pa-Schoenberg tayo guys. Schoenberg. No, Schoenberg din tayo. Pasyal-pasyal pag may time. Bukas work na naman. Work. Pang umaga ko. So, titingnan natin. Kanina pa pala ako nagda-drive guys. Ngayon ko lang naisipan na kukuha ng video. Ngayon ko lang naisipan. huli ko na naisipan na kukuha ko ng video pala habang nagda-drive. Para sa ating Nature Lover channel. Mag-video tayo. And driving going to Schoenberg. Kita nyo yung nature ngayon guys, maulan. It's very raining seasoning na ngayon. Raining season. Winter. Ganyan pag winter dito guys, almost ano lang siya, umuulan. Almost raining lang all the time, all day long. So, pupunta ako sa aking best friend. Dahil boring sa bahay, walang magawa. O may magawa man, boring talaga, kailangan mo talagang gumala. So, we're going to Schoenberg. We'll see if we can get more videos today. We'll see. La bamba, la bamba. So, dandahan lang tayo ng pagdadrive para makita nyo guys yung view natin. So, nakita nyo guys, maulan. Maulan talaga. Maambon. Kanina pa to. So, time check. 1:30 in the afternoon na. 1:30 in the afternoon. Malapit na ako darating sa kanila. So, mag-video lang tayo all the time. Pakita ko yung nature dito here in Germany. The nature here in Germany is very, very nice. Also, in summer, you can also going to the city, and also in the beach resort. You can go there and you can go swimming, night swimming, you can do picnic. Yeah, you can do more and more. If you can see guys that the trees here that beside the street is it's all apple trees. There are apple trees here guys. So in summer, if you can see, you can sow the apple trees here, and they are so nice. If you can also eat here and pick up, or you can make it for juice. Yes. Yan lang. So, nasa Barney Cove na tayo. Gemeinde Königfeld, Northwest Mecklenburg tayo, guys. So, malapit na ako sa aking friend. Madilim ba yung camera ko? Madilim kasi ngayon, guys. Maulap siya, tapos maulan. So you cannot do more videos here because of the weather. It's not good. No, no. Lübeck na tayo, guys. Malapit na tayong Lübeck. So punta din kami palang Lübeck. So I will also shoot the nature going to the Lübeck. The city of Lübeck. It's also nice city, and you can see the nature here. So we are here now in Großrund, Northwest Mecklenburg. That is the small village here in Germany. There's also so many nice houses here. So we're going to this street. So almost of the trees are still sleeping because we still have winter here. We have the date February 1, 2022 na, guys. So I just want to say I love you. I just want to say how much I just want to say I love you, and I need all the bottom of our hearts. Hey guys, I sing a song for you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and big love shout out sa mga viewers at sa mga nanonood at yung mga nagsistay sa ating premiere for today. Thank you guys for supporting the Grappler channel. So I'm near na talaga, guys. Near na. May nakikita pa kayo, guys, na daan? Or you can see the street? It's dark, right? It's very dark. You cannot see. There's no. I love you. to say how much I care. So, nakita nyo guys. I love you. Palakas na palakas yung ulan. Diyos me, marmar. Ala, may puno na natanggal. Yung sanga pala. May sanga sa ilalim ng puno na natanggal. May sanga, may sanga. Andito na ako guys sa bahay ng aking friend. Magpa-park na ako sa kanila. So, mag-park na tayo dahil excited na ako. I'm so excited. Gagala kami this time. Kahit na umuulan, walang papalag. Hindi pa rin masisira. Dito na lang kaya ako mag-park dito. Na. Na. So, andito na ako guys. Dumating na ako. Pwede ba mag-park dito? Aray, sakit ng kuko ko. Nasira yung aking kuko. Oh my God. Aray ko. Umuulan. Ayan guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking The Grab channel. Thank you guys. Bye.